What if I told you that you can use this popular platform in making money online? Almost all of us listen to music every day. Almost all of us watch videos every day, and this is a great opportunity to generate income. In this video, I will be teaching you a strategy where you won't need to have prior experience and skills. This is 100% free, and this is available worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can definitely do this. So, this is how much you'll make if you do this method. If you listen to one song, you earn $5. Watch 5 videos and you will earn $25. And by listening to 20 songs, you earn $100. And you can do this within a day. You can do this method within 5 to 10 minutes with your smartphone or your laptop or computer. What I love about this is that you can do this again and again. Somewhere in this video, I will be showing you an important step which could help us generate more income. So I want you to stay tuned and not skip any part of this video so that you won't miss out on important details. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Mac Money, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks to help you make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever we post new content like this. Like this video and leave a comment down below if you have questions. Now, let's get back to the video. The website which I'm talking about is one of the most popular websites and softwares in the World Wide Web. I know that you know about this platform. In fact, you're already using it right now. Yes, you can now earn money by listening to music here on YouTube. Alright, right here, this is the first website we're going to use in this video, and this is Current. This is over at current.us. Earn points by playing your favorite music. I want you to pay attention because I will be showing you different applications that you can download for free so that we can make money online. I'll show you the steps on how to do this. I don't want you to miss out on important details. I'll also be telling you what music you should listen to so that you'll earn more money. So please be patient with me and stick with me until the end so that together we can make money online the easy way. Now, when we go to this website at current.us, you can see that this is available on the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. So whether you're using an Android or an Apple device, you can absolutely do this. When we go over to the Play Store, it'll look like this. Make sure that you pick the right application. This is the logo of Current on the Play Store. And on the Apple Store, this is how it looks like. So make sure you click on this. As you can see here on the Google Play Store, they have a 4.4 star review. This is already a high rating, so you don't have to worry about this being a suspicious application. And with over 1 million reviews from over 1 million users, this method truly works. And on the Apple App Store, you can see that they have a 4.7 star review with over 100,000 ratings. Alright, now I want you to comment down below what mobile device you're using. Are you an Android user or are you an Apple user? So that I can make more videos about making money online, which you can use in the future. Okay, now I want you to go back to Current, and as you can see right here, they have over 100,000 radio stations. One of these stations is YouTube. You can even play music online or offline. This method is really powerful. If you listen songs here, you will earn points, and when you earn points, you can convert them into real cash. Before we proceed, if you like the video, I want you guys to leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. So now, let's go back to the video. What I want you to do is go over to YouTube Music. That is over at music.youtube.com. When you go over to this website, you'll land on this page right here and it'll look like this. As you can see, there are a lot of recommended songs, recommended artists, and recommended playlists. If you play these songs along with Current, combining these two will generate profit on complete autopilot. Then I'll show you a demonstration on how to do this. Okay, so let's start. So this is a playlist that I usually listen to here on YouTube Music. When you look at this playlist, there are a lot of different songs which you can listen to. So this part right here is the queue. If you queue songs, then it'll be added here. Alright, so once one music finishes playing, it'll automatically play the next song. So every single song you finish, you get paid. Okay, now if you look at here down below, you'll see this button right here, which is the repeat button. Now if you click this playlist will repeat playing after the last song is played. So from the last song on this playlist, it'll automatically go back to the first song and play the whole playlist again. This way, we can make money over and over again because the more songs we play, the more we earn money. So now the first tip that I'm going to give you, which will help us generate more money, is to queue a lot of songs. As you can see here on my playlist, I have about 20 songs right here, and I will be adding more songs. So I want you to do that too. The next step I want you to do is go back to the homepage and click on Explore. By doing this, you will see more songs, albums, and genres, even moods. This way, Current will pay you more when you play from Explore. I want you to take note that YouTube won't pay you anything, but Current will. We will be connecting Current to YouTube. We will be syncing them together. These two websites are like peanut butter and jelly, Bonnie and Clyde, coffee and cigarettes, because they both work well together. Whenever you play the songs on YouTube, you will get paid. Alright, so I'll be teaching you two methods. I already showed you one. Now I will show you the next method, which will help us earn money with Current and with YouTube. Alright, so now I think you're already familiar with this, since almost all of us watch YouTube every day. But did you know that you can play videos like this on YouTube? I wanted to play a compilation of songs. For example, this video right here, relaxing Starbucks-inspired coffee music. This is a 5-hour long video, and I chose this because this is very relaxing. I can listen to this without being interrupted, especially if I'm working. You can also listen to this if you're studying or if you just want to relax. If you want to sleep and if you want to listen to something which can help you calm down, you can absolutely listen to this. Imagine sleeping while playing this in the background and you'll earn money by doing so. This is really great, and you can even just repeat this again and again. Okay, so right now I am using my computer and I am opening 3 tabs. This is another special tip from me. You can open multiple tabs and play them all at the same time. Alright, so let me show you the 2 other tabs that I've opened, which are this and this. Make sure that the videos you're watching or music you're listening to are at least 1 hour long. The next thing I want you to do is click on the settings button right here and set the playback speed to 2. Again, the more music you play, the more money you'll generate. So if you double the speed, you will earn money fast. Then the next thing I want you to do is right-click on the video and click on loop. This way, the video will play again and again automatically without you needing to do it manually. Before I continue with the other tips, I want you to comment down below which country you come from, so that in the future I can make more videos about making money online that will work in your country. That way I can help you earn money, because during this pandemic, I really want to help you guys. I know it's quite hard to look for jobs or to look for something that'll put food on our table. Well, this is the exact reason why I'm doing this, okay? So comment down below where you come from and let's do this together. Now let's go back to the video. Alright, so playing 3 songs at the same time will probably not sound good, and that's why I need you to mute the other 2 videos or playlists. Then you can listen to the one you like the most. The next tip I'm going to give you is for you to play this in 144p. This works better if you have low internet latency, if you're using data, or if you're just really having a bad internet connection. In 144p, the video will load faster, and if you load 3 tabs, it'll take time if your resolution is not at 144p. If you already have a fast internet connection, then it's okay not to do this. But this tip is for the people who have slow internet connection. Okay, let me just remind you that you have to connect your YouTube radio station to the Current app. You can play them either from YouTube Music or from YouTube. You can do both methods. If you have a mobile phone and if you have a computer, at the same time you can play YouTube Music on your phone and then you can play the YouTube videos on your computer. Okay, so now I'm going to give you the last and final step which will help us do this easier. There's this new Google extension which is called YouTube Playback Speed Control with over 100,000 reviews. I want you to open your Chrome browser and add this as an extension. You can do this on your computer and you can do this on your phone as well. When you use this extension, this will allow you to multiply the speed by 3. So on YouTube, the maximum speed is by 2, right? When we have this extension, it'll allow you 3 times, so it'll be faster and more efficient. This will help us play a lot of songs. So right here, you can see that you can manage the speed at the top right hand corner of the screen. And right here below, control speed of the YouTube playback using keyboard, press plus to increase and minus to decrease the playback speed. So if you have this extension, you will make more money faster because the videos will play faster, thus you will earn more money fast. Alright, again, what I want you to do is go over to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and download this. And make sure you link your YouTube account to this. And that's it! If this video helped you and if you like it, don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell. If you have further questions about this method, make sure to comment down below. And I'll see you in the next video.